Hello, today I'm going to be uncoiling my yellow paper house planner. I'm going to be using pliers and a few woodworking clamps, which I stole from my husband's garage. So the first thing you do is obviously take out the cover. This is a Woodland Cottage Farms cover. And the easy way I have set this up is to use one of those Erin Condren inserts, so that way it's just easy to peel out. And then you're going to remove all these extra inserts and anything else you would have added. These were all from Erin Condren, and they fit perfectly into a yellow paper house planner. So now that I've got everything removed and it's down to its bare bones, I am going to start clamping them, and that makes it a little easier to coil. So this is a tiny tab which kind of keeps it all together, so I'm just going to remove that. Now it's kind of open, but that's all we need. And then you start turning the coils. It's kind of locked because of this sticking out, so I'm just going to bend it towards this. And that should sort of do it. And that's it. We have now uncoiled our yellow paper house planner. And I'm going to take out everything that I need and add in everything that I want. Taking out August and September, and I'm adding January, February, March, April and May. I'm taking out the notes pages that I don't need anymore, and I'm going to move these into another book. So for the added pages, I got this yellow paper house notebook, so it's the same size pages and it's the same quality. And I also got this yellow paper house notebook, so it's got some lined and some dot grid pages, and I wanted to use this cover for my planner while I'm uncoiling it anyway. I'm gonna then uncoil this and this. Just put them together. So now that we have this, we can start when it comes to coiling this. Getting it started is usually the hard part, because once you sort of line up everything together, it'll go pretty fast. that we've coiled the whole thing, I'm just going to flip it up and up so that's out of your way. This is going to keep it nice and coiled and it lays flat. So now that we have it coiled, we have all these extra months in here. We have both lined and dot grid pages, so which is everything we wanted. To finish it up, I'm just going to add all my extras. There you have it. Newly coiled planner with extra months and a whole lot of note pages, pouches, extra pouches, schedules, sticky notes, pen holder. And all this took about half an hour. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more planner content. Bye!